Hi everyone, my name is Kelly from Casey'sMusicMethod.com, and today we're going to learn the SpongeBob SquarePants theme song on the ukulele. Here's what it sounds like. First, I would recommend tuning up your ukulele before you start this so that it's nice and in tune and ready to go. This riff is going to be on the first three strings, 1, 2, and 3. Let's start with the first part of this theme. It starts on the second string, and we're going to play 0, 3 like this. 0, 3. Next, we're going to go to the first string, and we're going to play that open. Okay? So we're going to go 0, 3, first string open, and then we're going to return back to the third fret on the second string. So 0, 3, first string open, back to the second string, third fret. Next, we're going to play the second string open, and then the third string open, and then the second string open again. So that was the second string open, third string open, second string open. So here's what we have so far. Next, we're going to play the third fret second string, and then the first string open, and then back to the third fret second string, and then the second string open again. So that's 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. So here's the whole first part of the theme. Next, let's play the second part of the theme. It sounds like this. To play that, we're going to start with the first string. We're going to play 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Let's try that again. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Next, you're going to play the first fret on the second string. Then you're going to go back to the first string and play 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. So here's the second part, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0, and then the first fret on the second string, and then back to the first string, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Okay, for the next part of the theme, we just repeat everything that we just learned. So basically, we do the first part of the theme again like this. And then the second part of the theme again. All right, so let's play the first part and the second part and then repeat those. Second part. Now we're going to repeat all that. Okay, to play the third part, what you're going to do is start by playing the third fret on the first string, and then the first string open. And then you're going to play the third fret on the second string, and then the second string open. So that's 3rd fret 1st string, open 1st string, 3rd fret 2nd string, open 2nd string. 3 0 3 0. SpongeBob SquarePants. So you're gonna do that SpongeBob SquarePants 3 times in a row like this. And for the last part of the 3rd part, you play the 3rd fret 2nd string, the open 1st string, the 2nd fret 1st string, and then the 3rd fret 1st string. So that sounds like this. SpongeBob SquarePants. So the 3rd part all together will sound like this. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. And then at the very end, you can play the little whistle part that SpongeBob plays on his nose like this. To play the end part, start by playing the 3rd fret 1st string, and then play 5, and then 7, and then 5, and then 7 again, and then 3. So that's 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 3. And then you go up a string, 3, down a string, 3. 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 3, up a string, 3, down a string, 3. So here's the full song. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope that you love SpongeBob SquarePants as much as I do.